Hello, ladies and gents, and welcome to another fabulous week of our English 101 class. Hopefully, you got to enjoy some of this gorgeous sunshine we had over the weekend and are raring and ready to get started on stuff today. We are continuing our work on Project 3. We are working on our outline today. This is just to help you find any gaps that may be existing in the research you've done so far for Project 3. So last week we looked at our thesis statements, we selected our case that we're most interested in talking about, and we started researching for this case. Today, you're going to be working on the outline activity, and this is a really great way to see if there's any gaps in your research that we need to maybe find more sources to fill in some stuff, or if we just need to make some more clear logical connections. Outlines really help us find those weak points in our writing before we start writing the essay. So it really is a time-saving activity. It feels like it's extra work, but it is a time-saving activity because it will bring to your attention areas for improvement before you've written a whole dang essay and then have to go back in and revise things you've already spent a lot of time working on. This outline kind of circumvents that process and helps us focus our time more efficiently and effectively so that our end product of the essay is just that much stronger. So yay for outlines. We're going to be working on those today. And then the rest this week, you're going to be working on writing and revising both your essay and your annotated bibliography because if we take a look at our calendar, we've got a peer review on Friday for the essay. Your annotated bibliography is due on the 13th, and we're remembering that this is a separate document than Project 3 essay. So your Project 3 essay will have the essay, and then it will have a normal works cited page, just like all of your other projects. The annotated bibliography is a separate document, separate assignment on the same topic. So it's going to be basically a research journal of what you've found for Project 3. So it's going to contain 3 sources. There's a video in the modules tab that walks you through it step by step. So please make sure you check that out because it's going to be absolutely helpful before you turn this in on the 13th. But it's nice to look ahead because this week we're writing and revising, making our essay, making our annotated bibliography. We turn in that annotated bibliography on the 13th. We work on revising and revising and revising, and you turn in your Project 3 final essay on the 17th, and then it's finals week. Then we're done. Project 3 is the last big thing we're doing in this class. You do have a reflective letter. We'll talk more about that as we get closer to finals week, but that's going to be the last assignment. You don't have a final for this class per se. Project 3 pretty much takes care of all of the things and the student learning outcomes from the syllabus we needed to hit. So we just have to do our reflective letter during finals week and you'll be free birds. Like we're almost done. I'll talk more about this as we get closer as well. The exit essay, if applicable, you only have to take the exit essay if you did not pass the diagnostic essay at the beginning of the quarter. So I'll be sending emails out to the people who do need to take the exit essay. But in a nutshell, if you scored less than 60%, which is less than 30 points on the diagnostic essay, then you will need to take the exit essay. If you got 30 points or higher on the diagnostic essay, you do not need to take the exit essay. Don't worry about it. Don't take it. You don't have to take it. So only if you didn't pass the diagnostic. Clear as mud? Yeah? Okay, cool. I'll talk way more about it as we get closer. But it's just fun to look ahead because our class is so close to being done. So keep up that momentum, keep up that hard work. It's easy to kind of get stuck in the doldrums as you're like, oh, we're almost done. But it's more like, yay, we're almost done. So hang in there. 2 more weeks of work and then freedom. So that's very exciting. So hang in there, keep working on crafting your beautiful Project 3 essay and your annotated bibliography. And we'll be trucking toward the finish line in no time. I do want to show you just real quickly where that video on annotated bibliography is located. So if you click on the modules tab and you scroll down to Project 3 and you scroll down to the annotated bibliography section, here is the annotated bibliography walkthrough. Please, 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 please watch this before you submit your annotated bibliography. The annotated bibliography is an easy place to earn points in this class because it's just a checklist when I grade it. You can check out the rubric for it. Uh, I'm looking to see if you included three sources. If you did, check. I'm looking to see if you used MLA format. If you did, check. And I'm looking to see if your annotation paragraphs contain the three things that are outlined in the sample. If it did, check. And you get all those points. I'm not like looking for commas this time. Like it's just those three things. So make sure that you look at the sample, you watch the annotated bibliography walkthrough, and use that to guide you as you create your annotated bibliography, and it will be a nice place to earn a solid chunk of points as we head into Project 3 final essay where those big points are held. So if you're looking at your score, as you tend to do toward the end of the quarter, this is a good place to earn points. So make sure you check out that walkthrough video. And as always, if you have any questions, reach out. I'm here to help. I'm excited to see how your ideas start to come together for Project 3.